Welcome back to the Kingdom Chasers.
Today we're having a beach day with the family and we're heading to Redington Beach around 10 o'clock in the morning.
Redington Beach is one of the less crowded beaches over near Saint Petersburg, which is why we tend to go to it quite often.
Besides being at the beach, there's not really a whole lot to do around the area. There's very few places to eat. It's mostly just condos and vacation homes, and I don't even think there's really any shops that you can go to.
We parked at a public parking lot that costs about $2.50 an hour. There's very sparse parking there. Some are actually across the street, so we would suggest getting there early. We arrived around 10 o'clock in the morning and it wasn't too bad.
Hey, you guys want to see Uncle Brand?
What are you doing?
A seashell, part of a seashell.
Hey, you want to go find those little clams?
I want to go with a clam. Let me wash it on here.
There are the boys just enjoying the beach. Water's actually pretty refreshing today.
Look how far you are, and it's not even deep. You can kneel down. Hey, brother. Right? You got your tail, better watch out.
Woo!
What do you think you do?
It's so pretty. I get to play with this.
What is
You on a tree?
Matthew?
It's a summer rain.
Matthew, what do you think of the beach?
Good.
What about it? The view?
I'm done.
Pets are not allowed at this beach. The left side of the beach is where the entrance to the beach is, so that's where a lot of people usually stop and set up their stuff. So you definitely keep moving down, and there's a lot more spaces that are open, especially with social distancing.
A lot of the people closer to the entrance weren't distancing at all, but the area we had a good 15 feet at least between all of us. We had a few planes fly pretty low to the beach, and it was really cool to see them passing over. They came about 3 or 4 times. Boys are collecting shells, trying to fill up this hole. We'll see how many they try to bring home with us.
I found a crab and shrimp. The
Whoa.
crab's dead.
Why'd you kill it?
I didn't.
Ah, okay.
Those was dead in the water. Hi.
Hi. Hey guys, it's about time to go.
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
No.
What's the matter?
I still want to be here.
You don't want to go get some food?
Then we will come back.
No, we'll come back some other day. There's a lot of people here. So everyone, here is one last look at the beach before we head out. So that was our trip to the beach. We left around 1 or so. It was getting a little bit too crowded for our liking.
So until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook if you guys want to see what our next videos are.
And with that, a message from our boys.
Happy Father's Day.